How would you like to work and be able to spend more time with your family? You can do this by simply working from home. In this video, I'll show you how you can get paid for working from home and start making more than most people earn in a week. I show you the best way to earn a six-figure income from home, working a few hours per day or less, and you can start making money now. So, watch the video all through, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell to follow for more. Now, let's jump to our today's video. Life is too short to work a 9 to 5. You can work from home for a living and make $150 or more per hour. There are tons of jobs you can do from your home office. And the best part is, you can take as many jobs as you want and work whenever you want. By using Cloudpeeps.com. Launched in 2015, Cloudpeeps is a community, marketplace, and platform that empowers freelancers and businesses to do their best work. They connect trusted freelancers and professional service providers with top clients in a seamless platform that makes it easy to manage relationships, payments, and more. It's free to sign up on Cloudpeeps under our hobby plan. They offer additional paid subscription plans to enhance your freelancing success, which include features like reduced service fees on jobs, the ability to submit more proposals, access to a curated job leads digest of top opportunities, access to a private group of top freelancers. There are two paid plans. Standard plan with $9 per month and Plus plan with $29 per month. There are a number of ways to use Cloudpeeps to build your freelance career and connect with clients. When you join Cloudpeeps, you'll have the ability to submit proposals on job listings, as well as promote the services you offer on your profile and storefront. What you're paid is ultimately up to you and any clients to discuss. You're able to set your own rate on your profile, create service packages to sell from your storefront, and negotiate any rates that clients advertise on job listings on Cloudpeeps. Clients come to Cloudpeeps looking for help in a wide variety of areas like graphic design, web development, social media management, content marketing, and more. Finding work depends on how much time you spend building out your profile and reputation on the platform. We find that the most successful peeps spend time building their profile and submitting tailored proposals to job listings. In the end, don't forget to check the description box for amazing money-making hacks, subscribe to my channel, and turn on the notification bell.